All right, with many people in Las Vegas getting back to work, traffic is heavier than it's been in a long time. So in today's Law Vegas Now segment, I spoke with Eric Palacios to get a refresher on what to do if you're in a car accident.
All right, Eric, so say someone gets in a car accident, what's the first thing that they should do?
It's very important to be safe. So you want to leave the vehicles where the accident took place without moving them if it's safe to do so. If you need to move them for safety reasons because of traffic or other reasons, then it's important to take photographs before you move the cars so you can prove how the accident happened and have this evidence later.
Okay, and take a bunch of photos too. Now, should we call the police? What happens if someone says, we don't need to get the police involved? What should you do?
Great question. Normally there's a reason why somebody doesn't want to call the police. Either they know they're at fault for the accident or they've got something in their record. We see a lot of people driving around without a valid driver's license, without valid insurance or registration, so that's why they don't want to call the police. Some might have an arrest warrant for a separate matter. So if somebody says, I don't want to call the police, that should raise a red flag. You need to call the police, first of all. Second, get a picture of all their information, of their driver's license, of their insurance card. Make sure their insurance is current. A lot of times they'll show you a card that's expired. Make sure you get a copy of their registration and also take a picture of their license plate. So this will protect you in the future.
Okay, and you mentioned insurance cards. When does the insurance kind of get involved here?
Well, we have to keep in mind the insurance company wants to pay you as little as possible. So a lot of times they'll show up at the scene or call you almost immediately and say, we're sorry, our insured caused this accident. Here's a check for $500. The bad thing about this is when you accept that money, when you sign a release, you're giving up your future rights to any claims. So a lot of times they'll have you do this before you even know the extent of your injuries or what kind of medical treatment you're going to need. So it's never a good idea to talk to the insurance company. They're going to use whatever you say against you in the future, and even worse idea, to accept money the day of the injury.
Okay, so don't accept it day of the injury.
Exactly. Wait, talk to an attorney, talk to your doctor, make sure you get the treatment that you need, and then we can advise you as to what to do with your case.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Eric, for that refresher if we get in a car accident. I appreciate it.
Great. Thanks for having me. We'll see you next week.
All right. Bye, Eric.
For more information, give Eric Palacios and Associates a call at 702-444-7777. You can also visit their website at ericpalacioslaw.com. We'll be right back.